Cats have long been loved as pets. They have a habit of liking high places. Chickens have feathers and beaks and a pair of wings. The female of the chicken is called a hen and the male is called a rooster. Cows are the most unique livestock in human history, and their uses are diverse. Ducks have a round body, a flat, broad beak, and short, webbed feet. Goats live in rugged mountains. Horses are anxious when alone, tend to herd, and are herbivores. Pigs have a much better sense of smell than dogs, cats, and cows. It finds plants and animals in the soil and eats them. Rabbits have very long ears and can hear even small sounds. They have a very well-developed sense of smell and can smell very well. Sheep are herbivores and are representative animals that do not fight and live in groups. Squirrels have brown fur and stripes on their backs, and although they climb trees well, they live mainly on the ground.
Ah!